And guys, that is how you can download Gacha Universal in literally 10 minutes. Yo guys, how it's going? Welcome back to another one of my tutorials. I hope you're all doing well. Today I will show you how to get Gacha Universal on your mobile devices. So guys, with this amazing trick I will show you today, you'll be able to play this amazing game on your mobile devices, both iOS and Android. So guys, today I literally tested all day all the methods possible to get Gacha Universal, and I tested like tens of them, and this one is the only that seems to work to download Gacha Universal on mobile. So guys, let me show you how Gacha Universal mobile actually looks like. So here I am, I need to type my age, and then I'm gonna click here agree and continue, and they will then start loading the game. So guys, it is the fully working game, and the coolest thing is that you can get this for totally free on your mobile devices. So guys, as you can see, the game works like a charm. I'm gonna click here on presets to change the character, then I'm gonna click on body. As you can see guys, the fully working game works like a charm, and that is really awesome. So guys, I also want to mention just before starting that this is the only working method, so make sure you watch this tutorial till the end. So guys, let's don't waste any of your time. Let me show you how to get this amazing Gacha Universal on your mobile devices. So guys, the first thing we need to do is to prepare a mobile device for the installation. So guys, if you're using an Android device, you don't need to prepare a mobile device at all, and you can skip to the part where I open up my browser and show you where to download Gacha Universal from. But guys, if you're an iOS user like me, you need to prepare a mobile device, so follow me. So guys, all you need to do basically is to head over to settings, then go to general, background app refresh, and make sure that it's turned on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay guys, once we prepare a mobile device for the installation, I'm gonna head over to my browser. So guys, it does not matter which browser you're using, you can use any browser you want. So guys, simply search for this amazing website, tweakboss.com. tweakboss.com. So guys, on this amazing website you can find all kinds of mods, hacks, tweaks, and things that are generally not available anywhere else, and you can find them in the App Store. So guys, all cool things are here, tweakboss.com, and make sure you check this out, check out this website. So guys, today what we came for is Gacha Universal, so let's go ahead and click on the search box and start typing Gacha Universal. As you can see, Gacha Universal will pop up just like that, and to open it up, simply click on it guys. So guys, as you can see guys, this is available for both iOS and Android, but guys, that is not completely true, because this Gacha Universal won't work on some like really old Android devices, like 10 years old. It won't work, but on all other devices it works like a charm. So guys, let's go ahead and click on this blue button, download now, and the downloading process of the Gacha Universal will begin. So guys, now we have one last step to complete in order to make this Gacha Universal work, and that is to verify iOS version, and that whole process guys won't take more than 2 minutes of your time. So guys, basically they need to know iOS versions. They can prepare the best working version of the Gacha Universal for a mobile device. So guys, you will see the setting up the final stage, then right after that you'll be redirected to another page, and on this page guys, they say you need to verify the device version, and that whole process guys won't take more than 2 minutes of your time. It is super simple to complete. So guys, also one of the reasons why this home verification is required, because in the past when tweakboss.com didn't used to have home verification, basically a lot of bots downloaded Gacha Universal and basically trolled the whole game, and that's why they introduced this home verification, so only humans can play Gacha Universal. So guys, let me show you how to pass this home verification. It is honestly super simple and won't take more than 2 minutes of your time. So guys, all you need to do is to simply go ahead and download 2 apps and follow the instructions for each app guys. So for example, download Family Island and Rich level 10, or download Coin Master and Rich Village 3. So guys, you can choose any app, you also choose 2 of them. Click on the app you would like, and when you click on it, you'll be redirected to the official App Store or Google Play Store depending on your mobile device. As you can see guys, I just got redirected to the App Store, and as you can see, all those apps are free to use from official publishers, and you don't have to pay a dime to get Gacha Universal on your mobile device, which is super awesome. So guys, let me show you another app. As you can see, it is also completely free. You don't have to pay a dime to get it on your mobile device. So guys, basically all you need to do Just pass this home verification super quick, download 2 apps, follow instructions for each app, guys. And once you download those apps and they're on your home screen, one really important thing, guys, is do not delete them right away, but first restart your mobile device, guys. And guys, when your mobile device is restarted, you will have the fully working Gacha Universal waiting for you on your home screen to play and have fun. So guys, that's basically it for today's tutorial. Make sure to hurry up and use this method before you get patched. Leave a like on this video if this method worked for you and you successfully downloaded the Gacha Universal and it worked. Also guys, leave a comment down below if you have any problems and if this method worked for you. See you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye.